Hi everyone. Today we are going to learn about the structure of neuron. Neuron is the unit of nervous system. When we talk about neuron, there are three types of neuron. Sensory neuron, motor neuron and then intermediate neuron. Now we will be learning to draw the structure of sensory neuron. To draw the structure of sensory neuron, first you have to draw a ball-like structure or a circle. Just think it football. Then we will be drawing curve like C, opposite C. Very easily you can draw. Now just elongate this area. You can use scale also. This much. From here we will be drawing the root-like structure. See, when you look at any plant, then what do we find? A root. And this is the extension. This we can assume it as a dendrite. So now we will be drawing the root-like structure. The neuron, sensory neuron, it looks like a small plant. Come in this way. Here. In this way. Now let us draw the dendritic tip or dendrites. Just come to the extension here. How we draw the root in the same manner. Look, so easy. The second one also will come in the same way. Very good. Third one. So all you have to complete in the same way. It's very simple. Here also. All the sides, try to complete it. So this is a perfect structure. Now what do we find here at the center? At the center we have a nucleus. What is it? It is the nucleus. Nucleus. Now nucleus is surrounded by a cell body. This empty spaces which is present here, we call it as cell body. It is cell body. Cell body is also known as soma. We can call this cell body as soma. Now we see these short extensions present in the neuron. These short extensions are called dendrite. What are they called? They are called dendrite. It is called dendrite. So from this short extension, one extensions it elongates, and that extension we call it as axon. Axon. Now this axon is having a protective sheet present on it. That sheet we call it as myelin sheet. In your SSLC book, it is not given myelin sheet, but this protective regions are called myelin sheets. Now each myelin sheets, it has a nucleus present in it. So this is the easy structure of neuron. Now the end part of this, again you will find some root-like structures are here. So this structure we call it as nerve ending. What is it? Nerve ending. Each nerve ending is again associated with carrying the impulses. So what do we call it? These all are nerve ending. Now let us try to understand the function of each. When we talk about nucleus, already we have learned in all our classes that nucleus, it contains what? The hereditary units. So it is the center of all the informations. Then we will come to the short extension. We call it as dendrite. What is the function of dendrites here? The function of dendrite is it receives chemical signals from the axon terminal. This is when we talk about neuron, all the neurons, they will be coming in one connection. Now here I will be showing you. Let us try to understand here the structure of one neuron. It is one neuron. Now this neuron ends in a neuron terminal. Now there is a gap between one neuron and another neuron. This is one neuron. One more neuron will be at the front, another neuron will be at the back. So when there is connecting link, just imagine this is the axon terminal of another neuron. So here we have one more neuron like this. Now there is a space between these two neurons. That means nerve ending and then dendritic tip. There is an empty space. So this empty space between the nerve ending of one neuron to the dendritic tip of other neuron, that space we call it as synapse. Now the function of dendrite is what? Dendrite, it will collect the chemical impulses. The chemical impulses are present where? In the synapse. These chemical impulses will be converted to electrical impulse with the help of dendrite. That is the function of dendrite. So what did I told the function of dendrite? It receives chemical signals from the axon terminal of other neuron, axon terminal of other neuron. It converts these signals into small electric impulse and transmit them inward where? In the cell body or soma. Now, what is the function of cell body or soma? It carries genetic information, maintains structure of neuron and provides energy for various activities. It contains a nucleus and specialized organelles are present here. That is the function of cell body or soma. Now you can see that among these dendrites there is one long extension which is moving towards the nerve ending. That extension we call it as axon. Now what is the function of axon? Axon transmit information to different neurons, muscles and glands. Then we have these myelin sheets. These myelin sheets are the protective sheets which will protect the axon. Then next we will come to the end part of a neuron, that is nerve ending. So these nerve endings, what are its function? They send message where? To the brain. So all these informations which is collected by a neuron, those impulses are transmitted to the brain. Hence this is the function of neuron. When you move on a road or wherever you are walking, suddenly what happens if you get hurt in your feet or a thorn pricks, then your hand moves suddenly to your legs, and this action takes place within a fraction of seconds, and that actions are performed by what? These neurons. So the neurons, they carry the information or impulses very fast. They work within a fraction of seconds. To get the latest videos, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. To get the structure and notes, click the link of the website given in the description below the video.